Okay, I just finally got this 1976 AM/FM 8-track stereo radio OEM Cadillac working. When it came to me, the volume switch, which connects way back here, I can show you better on one that I pulled out. Um, this is what it looks like inside. When you turn this thing, at first it clicks on, and in the very back there's a on-off switch. It's located inside this plastic housing with the pencil. It failed, so I took the risk. I took this whole assembly out of the radio, which is a bear. These radios are not designed to come apart. Let's see if I can show you. I took this out. Then I unsoldered this whole assembly, which is a bear also on this back of the board. Many things to unsolder. Put it on the bench. I took this apart and I was able to fix it. Turned out the factory had put too much grease in it, and the grease was non-conductive, and the switch was failing. So I cleaned it up, made sure everything was right, put it all back together. Then I had another failure. I got that working, and something else failed. Yeah, wouldn't you know? Turns out I did some signal tracing. I have schematic diagrams. Here's an example of schematics, and is that upside down? Yeah, it's upside down. Yeah, I studied the schematics, tried to map it to the radio. There's no mapping in the paperwork, so I do that myself. But the signal comes through these pins that are soldered in to the FM board, and then this board is like a preamp board. There's a bunch of other functions. There's like several functions. All the volumes and the tone and the on-off switch and the transformers. But anyway, when you take this out, even though I bought the best tool money could buy, you risk jeopardizing the motherboard, or the what I call the FM board, on the bottom of the radio. And sure enough, I opened up a couple of the what do you call them? The traces, signal traces. And so then, once I figured out that the signals weren't passing through the signal traces on the board where this inserts and gets started, I was able to patch it up, and the radio is working well now. And I'm gonna button it all up and get it all working again. Signing off.